Hey guys, greetings. This is me Sahil. Today I will be taking you on a short trip of analysis project. I have done this analysis based on Atlic FMCG company. It is a big company situated in India and it has three main branches in three main cities, and it basically does shipment of goods and products to its customer. To understand my analysis more deeply and clearly, you got to understand business terms as well. So I have five major business terms, and those are line fill rate, volume fill rate, on time in full. So line fill rate, which is LIFR, it is basically the total number of quantity from the unique product, whether they have been shipped or not. It basically cares about that. But this volume fill rate, it does care about the quantity that has been shipped. It doesn't care about the quantity of the unique product. So to make this more clear, let me give you example. So me, I'm referring myself as a athlete company. So so we got the order from a customer, let's say, to ship them 5 mangoes and 5 bananas, but because of some unforeseen circumstances, we just ship them 4 of the bananas and 4 of the another product. Then in this case my LIFR would be 0%, but in another hand my VOFR, which is volume fill rate, it will be um, 4 it will be 80%. So and let me give you another example. So the deal was 5 of each of the product, and in this another example, let's say if I have supplied 5 of the bananas and 0 of the another product, and in this scenario my line fill rate will not be 0, it will be 50%, and my volume fill rate will also be 50%. So this line fill rate deals with the quantity of the unique product, whether it has been fulfilled or not. So this on time in full, these three other measures, they basically are associated with the order ID of the customer that has been placed. So this is pretty much it from the business terms. Thank you. So let me talk a bit about the business overview. So business overview, this earthly company, they are facing a problem. That problem is they are losing customer because the customer, they are not renewing the annual contract, and the reason behind it could be because of the late delivery and because they are unable to fulfill the demands of the customer. Hi, so this is my dashboard. Here you can see the logo of the athlete company, the title of the dashboard, and after that you can see 5 different cards that represent 5 different measure measure measures, which are OT, if, OTIF, LIFR, and VFR. You can see on the last card visual, you can see VFR, which is looking quite good, but the rest of the 4 cards, they doesn't look quite pleasing as their percentage is not that good. If you compare them with their target, even you can see the difference is very huge. 27%, 36%, that's a lot of difference. So after that, if you check my second visual, you can see I have created some slicer. I have done them based on customer name and the product name. So let's move to my third visuals, which is this split wise cities. So here you can see I have like 3 rows and 3 columns. The columns are the measures, which are OT, if, and OTIF, and the rows are the cities, which are Ahmedabad, Surat, and Vadodara. And this number right here, they represent the target, and the target represented is represented by this pink color. That's why I try to um, get the same color, but it doesn't look quite same, but just try to forgive me for that. And this body by city, this is represented by blue color. That's why I have blue color number and text, and this is the different. And you might notice that it looks a bit these numbers looks a bit smaller, so that's why I have created a tooltip for this all bar charts, and I'm just going to show you that. So here you can see a quite beautiful image of the city and the title, which is Ahmedabad OT matrix, and the numbers, gold, those kind of things, and it is looking quite good, right? So you can see this tooltip everywhere in all of these bar charts. So this is all about the third visualization. Now let's just move to this fourth visualization. Here again I have splitted those 5 measures by different customers, okay, and here I have used the color palette as the conditional formatting based on the percentage of those measures. So the customer that the customer that are quoted with the red color is not good, okay, because that shows that they are not doing oil. And these lotus mouth, acne stores, and cool blue, actually we as a delivery we as a goods delivery company, we haven't delivered them on time, those kind of things. So they might not renew the contract, and we really need to try to build a relationship, try to maybe build a trust so that they can renew the contract and they can still be in our customer list, okay. So we need to do some kind of relationship building exercise with them. So having said that, I have also created a tooltip for this. So this tooltip would sorry, I can't say would, actually this tooltip will work based on the chosen customer. So if I just hover around here, you can see the bar charts of the 5 major measures for this particular purple mat only, okay. And of course we have a Superman looking person's image, which is quite nice, I should say. Yeah, so this is basically all about it. And the in terms of what if the let's say the what if is good for purple mat atlas store, you can check it and you can try to get insight from it. So now let's just jump to the another table, which is the product insight table, and in here you can see the LIFR and BUFR of the different product. So here you can see this M butter, it does have the least LIFR, but it does have the highest BUFR. So if you just hover somewhere here, you can see the trend line for LIFR and BUFR. If you see, this LIFR is also consistent, and the BUFR is also consistent, but you can see, the BUFR is 96%, which if it was converted to 100%, the LIFR also would have been 100%. And I'm saying this because I can see it. So the Italy company, what they need to do is they need to push themselves in terms of production just a bit, and even their lowest LIFR having product would have the 100% LIFR, and that is really for myself quite shocking insight that we got from this dashboard. So let's just move downwards. So this visualization basically shows the trend of 5 major matrix, okay. So now you are seeing OT measures performance over time, or we can say performance over month. But if you click here, you will see OTIP measures performance over time. I think OTIP is doing better than OT. So uh, if if is also quite good, but I have noticed one thing, which is in June 22, I think there was a big disaster, or there was a big, I don't know, big downfall. So that's why in all of our trend charts we can see a surge spike towards downwards in June 22. So we need to dig there and understand what had happened in June 22, to just give more details about it, so that we can um, if if it is happening every year, we can try to mitigate it for the upcoming year. We can think about solution for it. So now you can see this delivery status visual is actually a donut chart. Here you can see the deliveries, the three types of deliveries that we have done: early deliveries, on-time deliveries, and late deliveries. You can see on-time deliveries is 64%, late deliveries is 28.71 percentage, which I myself think is a lot. It has to be under 5% or 10%. It shouldn't exceed more than that. Uh, and there is a lot of work that need to be done by the Atlic deliveries department. Um, so if you just see on the right hand side, you can see the bar charts based on the days. So from here you can see this yellow color as it reflects the early deliveries. So the early deliveries quantities is 849, and we are doing early deliveries just by 1 days before the agreed date, and that is also a good thing, because we are not doing it early, like 5 or 6 days early, because that is also not good, because they have to, I think, packet the warehouse or appoint the staff to stock up the shipment goods in the warehouse, those kind of things. So yeah, so 1 day is really good, 1 day early is good. And this green here is a on-time deliveries, which is 8,723k. So these all the all the ones, these three stacked bar charts, they represent the late deliveries. I have tried to use the color palette associated with the red, as I have shown the late deliveries in red color. So here you can see the maximum late delivery day is just 3 days. I actually shouldn't be saying just 3 days, but I feel it is not that much. And even though like the 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 max late delivery day doesn't have that much quantity of the product. It's just that we have done some of the product a bit late. But what we have done is we have done the maximum late deliveries in terms of quantity in the day after the agreed day, which is something that can be improved. As you can see, if you convert this much of quantity to on-time delivery, then your on-time delivery percentage can go up to 80 or 85 percentage, and that is really shocking insight I have seen. And that I think the production, not the production department this time, sorry, I think the delivery department of the Atlic company need to do some working on it, as they are just lacking behind by a bit. They can really do good in the future. So having said that, let's jump to other visual. In here you can see what I have done is I have selected the most late arrival products. So this is a slider. You can choose how many late arrival product you want to see, and then you will see the bar charts of the product. So if I just do like this, then you can see, you can even, you can see this AM milk, this AM milk, it it is the highest late arriving product, because you can see the bar is a bit more larger than the others. um, if you just do like this one, you can become more clear, as you can see this AM milk as the top one late arrival product. So you can just play it from 1 to 10 to see which one is the which one is the top 4 or top 5 last arriving product. And here you can see the average late delivery day is 1.6, which is like between 1 and 2 days. So that is, I think that is not too much. It is not like the delivery has arrived after like 1 week or 1 month. So, and the late average delivery quantity is like 4 million. So from here you can clearly see the late delivery status and everything. And I think from my dashboard you have got the idea and everything. So thank you so much.